applied OBH Combi version for children with cough plus flu. Description: OBH Combi Anak cough plus flu contains toxic substances, extracts of supersilic chloride, paracetamol, ammonium chloride, sodropinesial, and chlorpheniramine. This drug is used to treat flu symptoms, fever, headache, sneezing, and nasal congestion, accompanied by cough in children. This medicine causes drowsiness. In variation flavor including apple, orange, strawberry, and honey. OBH Combi Anak is a medicine used to reverse cough accompanied by flu symptoms, use fever, headache, nasal congestion, and sneezing. Group limited free medicine therapy class cough and cold ingredient succus liquidatory paracetamol ammonium chloride sodropinesial chlorpheniramine alcohol 2% foam syrup salt unit bottles packaging bottle 60 ml. Who to use? Consume after meal. OBH Combi Anak is used to reverse cough and flu symptoms. Dose and recommendation use of the OBH Combi Anak. Children 2 to 5 years old 3 times a day. 1 measuring spoon 5 ml. Children 6 to 12 years 3 times a day, 2 measuring spoon 10 ml. Side effects may occur during the use of OBH Combi Anak include drowsiness and indigestion. Contraindication shall not be given to patients who are hypersensitive to the ingredient contained in the product.